Probably the best sounding BMW 335 in the world, honestly. In the 335 IS, headed to my boy's house right now, meeting up with some of the homies. Watch the car. Gas station fill up. We're gonna do a full-on gas station takeover. This is gonna be crazy. Water spots on the car, come on, bruh. So we got the whips out right now. We took over this gas station. 335, single turbo. Got a LS swap with the single turbo on the E46. Got my car right here, single turbo, 335 IS. Got two E30s, both modified. This one got the wheels, BBS's. Tell me that shit don't look nice. We got two E30s back to back. As we come into the parking lot, making a whole lot of noise. Like, come on, bruh. Come on, I know he's trying to do his job, but shit. Ready? That E. Woo! Like this. We're here. We are here. And honestly, guys, my hood, yeah, I wish my hood wasn't forked, because yeah, there's quite a bit of people here, and you know, you want to show out the best you can. So yeah, let's hope they don't notice the hood, because that shit is bad, guys. That shit is hella bad. Damn, there's hella people here. We do have a pretty big turnout, guys. As you guys can see, there's a lot of people here. You guys can see a whole sea of BMWs, a few other little small things mixed in there, but mostly all BMWs. You got my car right here. Had to pop the hood on them. Had to let everyone know. We got the single turbo in there. Had to let them know. I see quite a few Beamers out here. Let's just say that. Got an E92 M3. Got an M2, brand new one. Got an E30. Look at E90 M3, which is looking crazy. Yeah, honestly, I do want to get one of these on the channel one day, guys. So you guys heard it here first. I definitely want to get one of these on the channel. So this might be coming in the future. So stay tuned on that. Got another F30, 335. Damn, this Jenna right here. Oh, shit. Damn. E93 M3. We have an E90 M3. Look at that. Yeah. With a supercharger on it. Or pro charger, whatever you want to call it. Thing's looking fire. Got another E92. Wait, E90 335?
Damn, I haven't seen him in person. I might have to change. I haven't seen that
oh,
in
shit.
Person,
E90 M3. Got an F80 M3. Finally we got all the cars lined up how we want them. You can see my boy's car right here, my car right here. I wanted to show you guys these cars right here. So got a, look at that, E93 with BBS's on it, gold. Then we have a F80 M3, E46, clean out here. This is crazy. Pretty decent turnout at the meet, not bad. We definitely got to see some whips. I always like going to, you know, full BMW meets, because, you know, we get to see, you know, what we really, we get to see everything. So, oh shit, okay, okay, the boy the boy shot show out a little. pedestrian. The light didn't even turn yellow or red or nothing. Honestly, probably the best sounding BMW 335 in the world, honestly. The way this thing just resonates at the high RPM, it's honestly kind of, I perfected this exhaust note, honestly, guys. I used to have a bottom mount and I went top mount all for sound. So it will tell you a lot about how much time I really spent on making sure this sound is clean and as crisp as possible, and to get that like perfect like RB 2J kind of sound, if you guys know what I mean. Like RBs and 2Js just have that unique note, and I spent a lot of time replicating that note. Turning on traction control. Viper right there. Clean. Ooh, that was a fat one. Pretty big pothole right there.